When a manager has a lot of work to do, they'll need to decide whether to delegate some of it or to do it themselves. Before deciding, there are a number of things to consider, so let's have a look at some of them. The first is whether this is a task which should be delegated. Tasks which are critical to long-term success, such as recruiting or strategic planning, may not be suitable to delegate and may need your attention. The next decision is whether there's enough time. If a less experienced team member is going to do the task, then it's likely to take longer and it'll need some of your time to review progress and also support or mentor the team member. When deciding whether there's enough time or not, you should also think about what the impact would be if everything went wrong and you had to start all over again. Often managers think that they can do a task more quickly themselves, and this may be true, but if it's something you find easy, it might be a learning opportunity for someone else. So the next step is to look at the skills and knowledge that are needed to complete the task, whether the potential candidates have them, and if they don't, is there a development or learning opportunity for one of them? This is especially worth considering if the task offers you no opportunity for personal growth, and you could spend your time more productively on something else. If a task is done on a regular basis or it's often repeated in a similar form, consider investing time to train someone else, so that in the future, if you need to delegate it, you know there's already an experienced person on the team. Now it's down to choosing the best person for the task. Points to consider here are the person's interests and career objectives, how they like to work, such as independently or with a lot of supervision, and also what their current workload is. There are operators and there are managers. Operators do things and managers manage people. So if you find that as a manager you always seem to be doing a lot of the work, it might be worth asking yourself whether you should be doing it or whether you should be delegating it. In other words, should you be the operator or the manager?